Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exhilarating world of budget gaming PCs. We've handpicked some stellar rigs that will give you bang for your buck without emptying your bank account. Want to know the best part? You can find the links to all these amazing products in the description below. So sit back, relax, and let's get your game on without breaking the bank. Let's kick things off with the HP Omen 25L gaming desktop. Priced at a friendly $850, this baby comes packed with a 6-core Intel i5 and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050. We're talking 8 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 256 GB SSD for snappy load times and efficient multitasking. Now I hear you ask, what if I want to turn things up a notch? Well, for just around $200 more, you can bump up that RAM to 16 GB and upgrade the graphics card to a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060. That's like going from a 5-speed bike to a motorbike, my friends. One of the most captivating things about this rig is its upgrade ability. The Omen 25L is as flexible as a yoga instructor, so if you ever get the itch to soup it up down the line, you won't run into any issues. And for those RGB lovers among us, HP's gaming hub is basically a playground. Customize your lighting to fit your mood, whether you're feeling like a soft blue oasis or a fiery red inferno. Yes, your setup can now match your "I'm about to win this match" attitude. Next up is the HP Pavilion gaming desktop. This machine is like the Clark Kent of gaming PCs. It's got the clean, minimalistic look that wouldn't raise any eyebrows in an office environment. But don't let that fool you. Inside that subtle chassis lies a beast waiting to unleash its gaming prowess. With refined LED lighting along the base, it subtly screams, "I'm not all business, I know how to party." At its base configuration, this machine is more than capable of 1080p gaming, as long as you're willing to be a little flexible with your graphical settings. But if you're the type that needs to flex a bit more muscle, higher configurations with an RTX 3060 are available. That's like wearing a suit but with a superhero costume underneath. You're ready for anything life or gaming throws your way. And here's the kicker. This PC is essentially a 2-for-1 deal. It's a machine you can comfortably work on during the day and dominate lobbies with at night. So if you're juggling spreadsheets by day and enemy squads by night, the HP Pavilion gaming desktop is your ticket to the best of both worlds. Moving on, let's talk about the CLX Set. Now this isn't your run-of-the-mill budget gaming PC. For $649, you're looking at a system that includes a 6-core AMD Ryzen 5 5600G, AMD Radeon RX Vega 7 graphics, 16 GB DDR4 RAM, and a whopping 1 TB SSD. I mean, come on, that's enough storage to hold a small universe of games. What really sets this beast apart is the transparency with which CLX operates. They offer an online configuration tool that provides an estimated frame rate average at 1080p for various games. For example, if you're a Fortnite aficionado, you can expect to get around 130 FPS. If you're more into Apex Legends, get ready for up to 365 FPS. Those are some serious numbers, my friends. The cherry on top? CLX offers a lifetime labor warranty and lifetime support. That's right, folks. You're not just buying a machine, you're buying peace of mind. Imagine that, a gaming rig with a support team standing by, just like a pit crew at a car race, ready to troubleshoot whatever you throw at them. Next in line is the Legion Tower 5 Gen 6, a hidden gem especially crafted for AMD enthusiasts. It's got a humbler aesthetic than most gaming PCs, ditching the flashy LEDs and extreme design elements. But hey, not all heroes wear capes, right? This minimalist approach actually works in its favor, allowing it to fit in almost any environment, be it an office or a teenager's bedroom. Under the hood, it's rocking some affordable yet capable AMD components. Now, it might not run high-demand titles like Cyberpunk 2077 on max settings, but it'll get the job done when it comes to most games. And let's face it, this is the type of budget PC that'll make your wallet smile. And isn't that what we're all after? What it may lack in flashy design, it makes up for in efficiency and space utilization. The Tower 5 Gen 6 doesn't gobble up your room's real estate, and it offers a diverse port selection. The only thing that would make it better, maybe an extra USB-C port, but hey, nobody's perfect. Alright folks, it's time to discuss the HP Victus 15L. This PC is sort of like the Swiss Army knife of budget gaming computers. Why do I say that? It starts at a reasonable $700, but offers multiple configuration options. At this base price, you get an 8-core AMD Ryzen 5 5600G, AMD RX 6400 graphics, 8GB DDR4 RAM, and a 256GB SSD. These specs are already solid enough to keep you in the esports arena, handling popular titles like Warzone and Rocket League without breaking a sweat or breaking the bank. Now, for those who crave a little more oomph, there's room to grow. You can push those specs up to include an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super and bump that RAM up to 16GB, all for around $910. Oh, and did I mention it comes in 2 different colors? Silver for those who like the classic look, and white for those who want to brighten up their gaming space. The best part? The case has room for upgrades. So, if in a year you decide to pop in a new GPU or add some more storage, it's as easy as pie. Or, should I say, as easy as leveling up in a game you've been playing for years. The HP Victus 15L offers the flexibility and scalability that are absolute gold in a budget PC. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about the Acer Predator Orion 3000. Now, the name Predator already sounds like something that would tear apart virtual enemies, and let me tell you, it lives up to its name. This machine offers a range of configurations, but let's focus on the base model that's available for under $1,000. You get a GTX 1660 graphics card and an Intel Core i5 processor, accompanied by a solid 16GB of RAM. This rig is the answer for those who want to game at 1080p without making too many sacrifices in the graphics department. It's like enjoying a 5-star meal on a fast food budget. You get more than what you pay for. And it doesn't stop at performance. The design is also a winner here. The chassis is not oversized, meaning it won't hog your desk space like a greedy roommate in the kitchen. It's designed to fit snugly beside your monitor or slide neatly under your desk. The vented front and side panels also ensure excellent thermal performance. After all, nobody likes a hot-headed gamer, literally or figuratively. To add the cherry on top, it comes with that iconic gamer aesthetic, complete with RGB lighting and a big triangular power button that feels like launching a rocket every time you press it. So if you're looking for a solid gaming experience that offers both performance and aesthetics without emptying your savings account, the Acer Predator Orion 3000 could very well be your next gaming sanctuary. And there you have it, folks, our roundup of the best budget gaming PCs of 2023. Remember, gaming doesn't have to be a wallet-busting hobby. With the right rig, you can enjoy top-notch performance without breaking the bank. Links to all the PCs are in the description below. Game on!